Plastic pollution has become a growing concern for our planet, polluting our land and oceans and harming wildlife. But did you know that most of this plastic waste actually starts at home? That's equal to 2 million acres of plastic waste. So it's important to find alternatives to plastic bags. An easy way to start reducing your plastic waste is to switch to reusable shopping bags. These items often end up in landfills where they take hundreds of years to break down. Fortunately, there are some simple swaps you can make to reduce your plastic footprint without sacrificing convenience or comfort. In the United States alone, 500 million plastic straws are used every day, and most of them end up in landfills where they can take up to 200 years to decompose. Fortunately, there are some easy alternatives to plastic straws that can help reduce waste and protect wildlife. Reusable straws made from metal, bamboo, or silicone are an excellent option. Plastic wrap is a staple in many kitchens, but it can be harmful to the environment. However, you can easily make your own cleaning products using natural ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Not only are these DIY cleaners effective and affordable, but they also reduce plastic waste and exposure to harmful chemicals. Fortunately, beeswax wraps are a natural and reusable alternative that can help reduce plastic waste. Made from cotton cloth coated in beeswax, these wraps are perfect for covering bowls and containers and can be washed and reused, making them an eco-friendly option for storing food. Do you have any other tips for reducing plastic waste at home? Share them with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Not only are they more durable and hygienic than plastic straws, but they can also be washed and reused multiple times. Additionally, many cafes and restaurants are now offering paper straws made from bamboo or which are more eco-friendly than plastic straws. Composting allows you to turn food waste into nutrient-rich soil for your plants, reducing the amount of waste that goes into landfills. Plus, it's an easy and effective way to reduce your carbon footprint and help the environment. You can also opt to skip the straw altogether and drink directly from the cup. By making small changes like these, you can significantly reduce your plastic footprint and help create a cleaner, healthier planet for everyone. Glass and metal containers are excellent alternatives to plastic ones. However, bar soap is an excellent alternative that can help reduce your environmental impact. Not only does bar soap eliminate the need for plastic bottles, but it is also typically made with more natural ingredients and doesn't contain harmful chemicals like parabens and sulfates found in many liquid soaps. Plus, bar soap lasts longer than liquid soap and is more cost-effective in the long run. Using bar soap can be a simple yet effective way to reduce plastic waste and make more sustainable choices for the environment. They're safe, non-reactive, and won't leach harmful chemicals into your food. Not only will this help reduce plastic waste, but many cafes offer a discount for customers who bring their own cups. With a stylish and sustainable coffee cup in hand, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint while enjoying your favorite beverage. Plus, they're built to last, meaning you won't have to keep buying replacements like you would with plastic. Glass containers are great for storing dry goods, leftovers, and even liquids. They're also microwave and dishwasher safe, making them incredibly easy to use. On the other hand, metal containers, especially those made from stainless steel, are perfect for soups, stews, and sauces. They retain heat well and can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. Investing in high-quality glass and metal containers may seem like an upfront cost, but it's ultimately a worthwhile investment in both your health and the environment. So why not make the switch today and see the difference it makes? Skip the plastic bags at the grocery store and stock up on canvas totes instead. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money and reduce plastic waste. By purchasing larger quantities of items you use regularly, you can often find better deals than buying the same items in smaller packages. This is especially true for non-perishable items like grains, nuts, and spices. When you buy in bulk, you usually have the option to bring your own containers to the store and fill them with the amount of product you want. This eliminates the need for individual plastic packaging and reduces your carbon footprint. However, it's important to note that buying in bulk isn't always the best choice. For perishable items like produce, meat, and dairy products, you should only purchase what you need to avoid waste. Additionally, before heading to the store, make sure you check the unit pricing to ensure that buying in bulk is actually cheaper than buying the same item in smaller packages. Overall, buying in bulk can be a smart way to save money and reduce plastic waste. But it is important to do your research and plan ahead to make sure you're getting the best deal and avoiding waste. Not only will this help keep plastic out of landfills, but it will also save you money in the long run as you won't have to keep buying new plastic bags. To make the transition easier, Keep a few reusable bags in your car or by the door so you never forget to take them with you when you leave the house. If you do find yourself at the store without a reusable bag, don't worry. Most stores will let you use their plastic bags for produce and other items that need to be separated from the rest of your groceries. Just be sure to wash them thoroughly when you get home. And if you're looking for more eco-friendly shopping tips, check out our blog for more information on how to shop responsibly. With just a few simple changes, you can reduce your plastic waste and help keep our planet beautiful for generations to come. From the food we eat to the products we use, plastic is everywhere. But there are some simple changes you can make to reduce your plastic footprint without sacrificing convenience or comfort. Ready to learn how you can go green in your everyday life? Let's dive in. Number 1. Use reusable shopping bags. According to the EPA, Americans throw away 100 billion plastic bags and wraps each year. Number 2. Switch to a reusable water bottle. Drinking from reusable water bottles is not only better for the environment, but also for your health. Traditional plastic water bottles often contain harmful chemicals such as bisphenol A, which can leach into your drink over time. Plus, they're not very sustainable either, taking up to 400 years to decompose in the landfill. Switching to a reusable water bottle such as a stainless steel or glass option can help you avoid these issues and reduce plastic waste. You'll also save money since you won't have to keep buying bottled water anymore. Not sure where to start? Check out our top picks for reusable water bottles. We have listed them below. When choosing a reusable water bottle, consider factors such as insulation, size, and ease of cleaning. For example, if you plan to carry your bottle around with you during exercise, choose one that's lightweight and insulated to keep your drinks cool or hot for several hours. Additionally, ensure it's easy to clean. Look for bottles made from durable materials such as stainless steel or glass, which are both highly resistant to scratches and dents. And forget to keep your reusable bottle filled throughout the day to stay hydrated and reduce the number of single-use plastic bottles you throw away. No. 3. Choose glass or metal containers. One major contributor to plastic waste is the use of disposable food storage containers. Number 4. Buy in bulk. Number 5. Avoid plastic straws. Plastic straws are a common sight in many restaurants and fast food establishments, but they have a significant impact on the environment. Number 6. Use bar soap instead of liquid. Liquid soap and shampoo often come in plastic bottles that contribute to plastic waste and pollution. Number 7. Bring your own coffee cup. If you're a coffee lover, consider switching to a reusable coffee cup. Number 8. Swap plastic wrap for beeswax wraps. Number 9. Make your own cleaning products. Many household cleaning products come in plastic bottles, contributing to plastic waste and pollution. Number 10. Compost food scraps. Composting is an excellent way to reduce plastic waste, as it eliminates the need for plastic trash bags when disposing of food scraps. We hope you found these tips helpful. By making small changes like these, you can reduce your plastic footprint and help create a healthier planet for everyone.